Hello everyone, it's really good to see you here all. So as you all know that in the today's technology, we are often very familiar with the AI images that are circulating here and there. So in today's video, what we are going to look is how we can also generate these AI images to make our website or use it as a template or do anything with it. So to generate these type of AI images, what we have to do is we have to go on Bing. So here, after coming on Bing, so you can see that this is the Bing interface. Here what you have to do is you have to click here on the plus sign. So when you click here, you have to simply scroll down, and here you can see that there is an option for image creator. So just enable it. So once you have enabled it, what you can do is you can just go there. So now here you can explore the idea like how to write that custom sentence that can actually build you these type of images. So let's suppose these are some of the samples which we have given. Okay, so this is the description for this particular image. So whenever you have to write something descriptive, by using that the AI will create the image. So let's keep it simple, and I'm going to type sunset image, just sunset. Now let's create this. Okay, so here you can see earlier it was 100, now it was 99. So it is boosts. So for each day you got 100 boosts. So if you use one, so here once I clicked on the create button, it got used one, right? So hence it is 99, and per day 100 is more than enough, I guess. So here you can see that I didn't describe anything, I just write sunset, and within a second I got some AI created images of sunset. Now let's add some element to it. Sunset in graphics with HD quality. Okay, so this is now 98, and it takes some time, very few seconds. So see when it's done. So yeah, this is the overall platform where you can generate the AI images that you often see. So the more you describe the statement, the more better you got the result. So now you can see that earlier it's very simple. Now you can see that it has something very, yeah, this looks great, right? So this is how we generate AI images. And yeah, if you add some more elements, like for instance, if I add in graphics sunset near seaside with trees and plants in graphics with HD quality. Now let's create this. So earlier I didn't give description of the background, I just simply write, first I started with only sunset, then I moved on to describe it like I want it in a graphics form. Here you can see that I got the result. So once I added, okay, so this is C, I have to correct it. So here you can see that it got what I wanted, like seaside sunset. Here you can see that it has generated very cool stuff, trees and plants with more greenery. If I add, so this time I am expecting something green. Let's see how it goes. So this is how you can generate whatever you want. You have to just describe your problem statement here, and according to that you have to actually twist and turn the problem statement so that you got what you want. So writing this is very important. Yeah, so now I get some green color, right? And within a second now you can use it. Yeah, so this is very cool, right? So the more description you provide, the more detailed version of AI pictures you got. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.